This hairstyle that you are about to see, yes, it covered her hair loss in minutes. You know, hair loss can destroy confidence, but you know what? It doesn't have to. In this video, I will demonstrate a hair loss cover-up method designed specifically for alopecia and thin hair. Oh my gosh, ladies, look how beautiful this style came out. No more worries. It's quick, it's healthy, it looks natural, and guess what? It doesn't stress the scalp. Watch for before and after closely. Look at this close-up of her before and look at the close-up of her after. Yes, ladies, this method is amazing. So continue to keep watching through the end so you can see how this beautiful style was achieved. You know, most hair loss methods, they focus on the looks, but this method, it not only focuses on the looks, but it also focuses on health. Yes, it protects your fragile edges, it avoids glue, and it reduces tension on thinning hair and alopecia. Yes, the results look natural. It makes you feel amazing. My client was absolutely so thrilled when she looked in the mirror and seen her beautiful hairstyle. Yes, this method supports hair growth as well. So if you are afraid to get a certain style or you're not sure what style to get because of your alopecia, this is definitely the safe solution that you've been waiting for. As you can see here, I am starting her braid pattern. Well, it's not a braid pattern. This is something that I started with my clients, especially those who have hair loss or alopecia or any hair issues. I started doing my twist method. Yes, ladies, as you can see, as I zoom in close, this is a twist method. I start off with a 3-strand, I go right into a 2-strand twist, and then I end with a 3-strand braid to make sure that it's secure and to make sure that it stays throughout the duration of her style. As you can see here, the next step is, after creating a healthy braid pattern or a healthy twist pattern for her hair, I install a net. Yes, ladies, I am installing a net because the net is to protect her natural hair as well as give me something else to sew on other than her natural hair. Yes, as you can see here, I'm making sure that the net is loose enough and that I have just enough pull to make sure that I am doing this style and crocheting on the net and not her natural hair. Yes, this alopecia cover up is lightweight, low tension, and gentle on thinning edges. Yes, it blends naturally, it feels comfortable, and it doesn't pull on the scalp, which is so important, ladies. We want to make sure that when we are getting these styles, these protective styles, that we are not pulling on our natural hair and not pulling on that scalp. Yes, that's what we want. We want beautiful styles, but we want them to be as healthy as possible at the same time. I didn't just find a way to hide her hair loss, I found a way to heal while she's looking beautiful. Ladies, this is the key to the method. Yes, this right here is my custom closure. Yes, ladies, it is absolutely amazing, especially for those with hair loss, thin edges, bald edges, short hair, or even healthy hair, and you just would like to give your hair a break. This custom frontal or custom closure that I have handmade by myself is absolutely amazing. Yes, it doesn't slip, slide, or shift throughout your style. It does not need glue. It's very affordable, it's reusable, and oh my gosh, it's adjustable so that it fits just your particular head. This is amazing, and this is how I'm going to give her the coverage that she needs and wants in the front so that no one will ever know that she has any hair loss. So, oh my gosh, ladies, this is it. As you can see, this is going to look like her natural scalp. Ladies, this is what we want. This is what you have been waiting for. This is only sold on my website. Tap the link in the description below so that you can get your order in today. And oh my gosh, look how natural this look. We went from this to this, ladies. I mean, this method is amazing. Again, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, tap the bell so you do not miss any of my new videos, and tap the link to my website and get your order in.